Retriever API and MCP are live now. You can build your AI apps on top of us, leveraging us as a gateway for AI web automation and web intelligence, which is very real time. If you want to be executed on like on cloud browsers, you can call our agent API. The full docs of our execute endpoint are live, and if you want things to be run on your own local device, all you have to do is install our extension. I just install the extension and get hold of the MCP URL. That's it. You don't have to do anything. Just copy the MCP URL and you can refer to our MCP docs right here. What are the tools that are available? And you can build your own automation workflows or AI apps using it. Now, in this demo, I'm going to show you how to like build your own automations workflow or maybe an app. Now, in this demo, I'm going to show you how to build your own automation pipeline using Retriever's MCP endpoint. So you got hold of the MCP endpoint. Now let's go to like n8n. Oftentimes, like you have the sales pipeline coming through and you want to automate stuff. In this example, like this is a real use case. Like a lot of people schedule meetings with us on Retriever AI Get Demo. Like you must have done it too. And what I'm doing is whenever someone creates an event on our calendar, I want to retriever to analyze about them on LinkedIn and send them a personalized DM even ahead of the call. Just make them prepared with relevant resources and stuff, right? So the first node I created is like straight up a Google Calendar node, and this is our calendar one-on-one with retriever, and then a basic LLM call to clean up the data from this bunch of like Google Calendar, which is gonna like Gemini. I'm asking Gemini to like give me what's the name, email, like job title and automations the person is interested in from the calendar invite, and then parsing the Gemini response in a code block right here, just getting the right amount of fields needed for a retriever MCP tool. And finally, here I'm putting like a Claude sonnet block where I'm asking it to call retriever planner tool with this extracted user input. And I also added our MCP tool, which is the key. Get hold of the MCP URL on the extension and put the extension right here, and that's it. You're good to go. And this is active. Now let's trigger the workflow. Like, let's say you're scheduling call with us. I'm giving some like test inputs. Let's say this user is interested in automating job applications. So the event has been booked, and shortly the execution should trigger right here. You highlight the tabs that Retriever works on as agentic tabs. So it's navigating to LinkedIn. You can do your own task, but if you want to look at what's happening, you can be on this page. So it found the profile that created the calendar invite. So there you go. I've been texting couple times, so you can see Retriever typing this message like just the previous workflow and the right now message has been like successfully sent out, very personalized. So yeah, and the tab should be closed once the task is done. This way, you can like automate your workflows end to end. If you want them to be run on your own local device, just simply install extension, get hold of this MCP URL, and you're good to go. So this has been like successfully executed.